So the first place you want to go is to settings, and then you want to go down to where it says accessories, and then you want to go to Bluetooth accessories, and you want to sit right here on this screen. Now take your PS4 controller and you want to hold on to the PlayStation button and the share button at the exact same time. This should put it into a pairing mode. And then eventually you will see DualShock 4 show up on here. Pick up your DualSense 5 controller, hit DualShock 4, wait for it to connect. Do you want to register this as a Bluetooth accessory? Hit yes. And boom, it'll ask you what do you want to use a controller for. But if you go to your PS4, you should already be able to control your PS4 controller. Put it in, and there you go. You're well connected and ready to go. Now, one thing you need to be very aware of this, you can control the menu and you can play PS4 games with it just as simply and easily. But however, if you do try to play any PS5 games with it, it will disconnect the controller automatically and tell you that you can't use that and you have to use your DualSense controller. So you have to go back and reconnect that back up to play any PlayStation 5 games on your PlayStation 5. So just be aware of that. Questions, comments, concerns, post them below.